The other thing, so before that is this part down here. You can see it, and this is the command line. In AutoCAD is very common, particularly if you go and see the people who use the AutoCAD professionally. Instead of using the menus up here, it's very common that they use the command line here, and the command line is like that. You just whatever you want to do, you put the command there, and then it will do that for you. You can do it for you. For example, instead of here, up here we have the line icon, which helps us to start to draw the line. You can come here and type the line, and whenever we just type the line, it starts the line command for us, and then it will give you some information. For example, you can see it says, okay, specify the first point, specify the second point, and something like that. This command line is, as I said, but some of the professionals use a lot. At the beginning, you probably find it much easier to work with the menus, but if you are doing lots of work, you probably will see it's easier to use the command line here. Some of the commands, for example, here, if I hold my mouse on the line, you will see it shows some guide, and when you underneath of that guide, you will see it says the line at the very bottom of that windows. It says the line, and that is the command is that you can use in the command line. Also, also some of those commands has the short version as well, so they have an abbreviation. So for the line, even if you can type the line here to get the line command comes up here, or you can simply just type L. The L is also is the short version of the line. So if I type L here and press enter, again it's gonna start the command line for me. And you can use that. Also, if you are on canvas and you're not doing anything, if you're just anywhere on canvas and nothing else is going on, if you start typing something, again it's gonna consider as you're typing the command. So for example, my cursor is somewhere here, I'm not doing anything, and I start to type the line, and it will bring the line command. I can click on that, and again the same thing, first point, second point, enter, and it's gonna do that for me. So this is a command window, and we will see that we will use that command line later on when we are working. Another thing that you may see is that if you're doing nothing here and press enter, if you press the enter without doing anything, without selecting anything, this is nothing else, it's gonna repeat the very last command that you actually typed in here or you used. So if I just press enter, it's gonna the last one I used was I erased the object, so it's gonna do that. So if I'm gonna draw the line, for example, now again you see I'm not doing anything. If I press enter, again the line command is gonna start. So I press enter and you see the line command automatically starts. So it's usual when you're doing something repeatedly. So when you want to draw, for example, too many lines one after each other, it's much easier that instead of every time go here and click on the line, every time just press the enter, and it's going to repeat the very last command that you done.